In this video I'm going to show you how to make a magic knot for crocheting amigurumi in the round, baskets, hats, anything that starts as a circle. The key is to keep your yarn in your left hand if you're right-handed. Keep it in your left hand, wrap it around a couple of fingers, and now tip it off the edge so that's that shape. Tuck it in behind the other finger to trap the yarn. Bring that through, but don't bring it down like an ordinary slip knot. Keep it open. Swizzle the yarn in your left hand so you've got tension and chain one. It's important that it looks like the letter P. And when you're working into the ring, work over both those strands. And usually the patterns start with, say, 6 double crochets, that's UK terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this stage, if the ring is getting away from you, tighten it up a little bit. 5 and 6. And then you can pull on the tail to tighten, and you've got a sweet little center. People find it hard to find the first stitch. They don't know, is it this one or where? That one? So my tip is to count backwards. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's this one here. Put the loop on your hook, and this is your first stitch. And you'll be asked to usually work 2 into each stitch. That'll be to keep it flat if it's a flat disc. So you put 2 in there. When you're putting your stitch marker in, because when you're working in the round you don't join, lift up that loop and put your stitch marker in one of these loops here of the last stitch. And that means if you have to rip back, you can see where to stop or where the last stitch of your round is. Alternatively, you could use the little tail, put it in the back and bring the little tail up and through so that it marks your stitch. It's a quick method, just be sure to keep moving it up at the end of each round. Okay, good luck with that. Don't be shy of amigurumi. That's as hard as it gets. You just have to count the stitches and do what they tell you. So all the best. Bye.